Hello everyone, welcome to TUFS Online Class Support. I'm Miki, a first master student at the Tokyo University of Foreign Studies. In this session, to prepare yourself for the TUFS online classes, we will go over how to use the Moodle. 3 points covered on this video are: first, what is the Moodle? And the second, how to log in the Moodle, and the third, how to register for the course. First, what is the Moodle? Moodle is the system to support your educational and learning activities online. Each course has its own page, and here, reading materials are distributed, assignments are submitted, communicate with the instructor, and online tests are held. The online classes of this quarter are held based on Zoom and Moodle, so you also need to master the Moodle. Next, how to log into the Moodle. First, search for Tokyo University of Foreign Studies. Then, click TUFS, which probably appears on the top. At TUFS website, click Current Students on the top line. On the Current Student page, scroll down and you will find a link for the TUFS Moodle. Select this link and this login screen will appear. Now you are all set to go. Okay, let's move on to how to register yourself for the course. You must remember that course registration completed on Gakumu does not directly reflect on the Moodle. You must register for the class page manually. Now let's return to the login page. Type in your user ID and the password issued by the ICC. Once you are logged in, you will come to this page. If you want to change your language, click this button. Then click All Courses on the left-hand side, the one on the last line under My Course. Once you click, you will see the list of the categories of programs where the classes are held. Select the categories that class you wish to register belongs to. Here, we will try it with School of Japan Studies. Now, we are on the School of Japan Studies page. These are the title of the classes. Let's open the course page. The course which the registration is not yet completed looks like this. Here, type in the registration key to complete the registration. There are courses that do not require a registration key. For the courses that require a registration key, the instructor will give the student through email or during the classes. If you do not know the key, check with the instructor. There is another way to search for the class. Type in the keyword of the class or name of the instructor to this search box. Here, we will try it with PCS. Then, you may access to the PCS classes like this. Please try this method as well. This is the end of this session. Thank you for joining us. Sayonara, Khodafis.